Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you a tool using which you can get a job easily. So the tool is called jobscan.co. So it will help you optimize your resume for any job, highlighting the key experience and skills recruiter needs to see the job. So what you have to do is you can come to this platform and just upload your resume. So many job seekers don't get enough interviews even after applying for dozens of jobs. Do you know why? This is because companies use ATS. ATS is nothing but applicant tracking systems to search and filter resumes by keywords. So the job scan resume scanner helps you optimize your resume keywords for each particular job listing so that your application gets found by recruiters. Job scans, job search tools can increase your interview chances by up to 50% is what they claim. So the features of this tool include ATS Resume Checker, which will optimize your resume for applicants tracking system. It has resume and cover letter optimization. You can show recruiters that you are the perfect candidate for the job. There is Resume Builder, which can be used to build a resume from scratch. So there is LinkedIn profile optimization, which will get more attention from jobs you really want. The first step is you upload your resume. You just put your resume here, or you could even paste text from your resume there directly. So after that, you add the job. So you can put this resume here. I'm just putting few text to see what does it analyze about it. So you can see it is not able to detect anything because I just put one single line of text. You can upload your entire resume, or you could just copy paste the resume here. Then you can add the job here. Then after that, you can view the result. So it will optimize your resume and tailor make it for that particular job so that you can apply with it. So it will show what is the perfect match for you. So you should resume a good match for what a recruiter is looking for. If not, you might lose interviews. So JobScan's proprietary AI analyzes your resume and compares it to the job listing using AI technology. They use it to match rate to report to see how to optimize your resume to get more interviews. You can beat the bots. So instead of bots tracking it and knocking your resume out, you can optimize it so that it makes that cut. So several companies that they claim use this. So JobScan users have been hired by the following companies after they have optimized their resume. So you can see your missing skills as per the job requirement. So in this way, you can optimize your resume using this tool. And they have various other tools, that is ATS Resume Optimization Report, ChatGPT resume templates, resume skills, resume formats. And if you want to write a cover letter, then they have this AI cover letter generator also, using which you can generate cover letter for that particular job. So we just have to see they have been interviewed by these companies. So this can make a big difference if you use this particular tool. So the AI will help you write this cover letter for that particular job and optimize it so that you don't have to do the in-depth writing, you do the research. You just have to go through what it has come up with. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.